Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to run through how to buy the Sphere tokens if you're looking to invest into this project. So this is how I bought my Sphere tokens. So I think there are a few ways to buy it, but this is just how I bought the Sphere token. So what you will need is your MetaMask wallet. You will need to make sure that your MetaMask wallet is on the Polygon network. So what you will do is you'll have to change your so you will need the MATIC mainnet. Yeah, so you will just click on the Polygon scan and you'll be able to add it there. Once you've got that, and then you need to send MATIC to your MetaMask wallet. So there are ways to do it, especially if you live in the US. It's probably different to Europe or somewhere else in the world. So for me, I sent it from my crypto.com account. I bought MATIC from there and then I sent it over to my MetaMask wallet. I have heard that the Coinbase MATIC tokens are Ethereum based, so they're not the same. So just be aware of that if you are using Coinbase. So once your MATIC tokens are in your MetaMask wallet, this button here, buy Sphere, is not working at the moment, but you just need to go to swap. All right, now you can buy it from here. I had issues though last night, so when I bought them I did have issues for some reason here. So I actually just clicked on the Bogged Finance DEX aggregator, which took me to the main site. You will need, you'll see that you have your MATIC here, and depending on how much MATIC you have, you will either click max, or usually the best way is to have just a solid number. So if you have 150, say, instead of having 150 point all this, just make it one solid number, 150, and then it'll automatically bring up your Sphere token as this is how much that you will receive. I left everything as is, the auto tax, the slippage at 1%. Obviously I don't have any MATIC in there to do the transaction, but this is the transaction that I did last night. And then all you would do is this would say swap. You would click on swap, your MetaMask will open up and you would have to sign the contract to say yes, that you want to go through with the purchase. Once you do that, it will then swap the tokens for you. It'll take a little bit of time. It actually took a little while for me yesterday, because the Polygon network was getting pretty jacked up, but the fees are so minimal. I think I paid 0.002 MATIC, which is just a couple of cents, it's pennies. So once all that's done, it will make the swap itself, and it'll put the Sphere tokens into your MetaMask wallet. If you can't see them, you will go to here and you will click on this add Sphere to your wallet. It will bring up this token here. Obviously this is just a cautionary message to make sure that what you're adding is legit, and then you will go add token. Then you will see the balance come up with the token and its proper logo, and that's it. And then you have successfully purchased Sphere Finance tokens. That's all the video that I wanted to make. So yeah, that's it. That's all the video that I wanted to make. If you guys found this helpful and you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. It really helped me out to get to my goal of 1,000 subscribers, and hit the bell notification so you know when I do post new videos on the channel. And if you guys have any questions, you want to know anything about Sphere Finance that I can tell you to the best of my ability, write it down in the comments below and I'll get back to you as fast as I can, okay? Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.